All right, it's time. Apothecary Diaries, episode 11. I'm trying to think about because every time I come back to this show, I'm just kind of like trying to remember what they did. So, if I recall correctly, in the last episode, basically, it was the ghost story one, right? Yeah. It was probably one of my favorite episodes. I think about just because it was so neat that the story was so. It was basically like a horror story, right? They're telling like ghost stories, right? And I thought it was just really charming how they did it, and it was a fun way to give oh my god, what's her name? Oh my god, I forgot her name. The apothecary girl. Oh my god. Oh my Mau Mau. They gave Mau Mau some time to bond with the other housemaids, right? And it was a cool way to like let that happen, right? In a really fun, interesting way. And that's what I really appreciated about the episode. I don't know if it lent itself to setting up the next episode. I can't remember if it how it did or if it did not. And so we'll just go right into it. This is going to be episode 11 of Apothecary Diaries. Let's just do this. Here we go. If you're new here, there's going to be a playback time. I mean, there is a playback time, right? That's going to be where I'm at in the episode. Let's do this. Three, two, wait. 3, 2, 1. Yura Yura. The song's sick. Anyways, while this opening is playing, this is the one where my friend screamed, and so I kind of need to know what it was. I'll ask her what I think it is after I watch the episode. I'm curious what it was or is, right? I don't know what she likes about the show, so I don't know like what it would be. Like would it be like in my mind it's probably something with Jinchi, right? I can't see anyone screaming because like the only thing I think that would have people go like yeah, it's like something with Jinchi, right? Or maybe something with Mamo and a relationship, right? But the only one that would be on the radar would be Jinchi, right? So that's why it would be really curious if it was another dude. That would be super crazy. Anyways, yeah, I hope you're having a good day, man. It's a wonderful night. Night? Sure, let's go at night. You can't see out my window. Let's do this. I'm gonna get ready. Hold on. This song's hype. Aw. Whenever I see Shalon like drawing her name out, I'm like, it's so sick. It's so cute. Damn, he looks so serious. What? Oh shoot. Okay. So yeah, he's gonna explain his relationship to the Emperor, right? Oh, she's so round right now. Who? So wait, she's gonna take him hunting, or he's gonna take him hunting? I think he's. I think she's tugging on his strings, right? Say it, damn. Damn, she is such a tease, dude. I'm on it. Apothecary-san, right? Kusuriya-san, right? Yeah. I never thought about it. She's never said her name, huh? She is a villain, dude. I love it. Like these CG horses. The hunt. Oh, it is three katanas. That's funny. Grass. Oh, that's pretty sick, actually. How the kanjis are written like that to like represent. That's cool. It's like how you have flags, right? Banners or whatever, or like the crests. Why would he invite Jinchi specifically? Wait, what? I wonder how old he is. Dude, this show has like vacuumed me in so hard, dude. I'm in there right now. So I wonder. Oh, because he wants to tell her about the thing, right? And then because they're gonna be alone, I guess that makes sense, right? Right, and so you do it in private. Right, makes sense. I guess. I wonder why they weren't briefed before this. The options there. Wait. Damn, he's pretty. I would have buffed. I would have missed that so hard and called him Jinchi right away. Is that what it is when he reveals his relationship? She's probably gonna say she already knew, right? Or she had a hunch, right? But she can't verbalize it, right? Because it's like heresy. Wait, what's going on? Oh, is it? Wait, what? Wait, what's going on? Why is? Wait, what? Built like a goddamn tank. Mm-hmm. 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 I didn't realize he was a Gaussian son. Dog whistle, huh? That's cool. It's cool because it feels like there's never wasted time. Oh wow, he does have to wear that mask. Yeah. Why is he so unnerved, dude? So he probably heard. Oh, this is weird, man. Like I like how it's giving like this really deceiving like vibe, right? Something's weird is going on, right? And you're like, what's What's she doing with it? I mean, I'm assuming this is Virginity, right? Where are they gonna go? What the bejeebus? Are they trying to assassinate him? What the flip? What the hell is going on? I like how she like her thoughts were that loud, but her face was doing nothing. She was just what a cool episode. So, oh, oh, oh. Is that it? Is that it? Oh, I gotta verify. Damn, he basically killed her. Mm-hmm. Unless, oh, she get nudie. Aw. This is a weird tension between the two right now. Does she still have the water with him? Why is he not? Oh, is he really like the tensions are so awkward in this area that he's fearing for his life, right? Oh my god, the most fan service is her giving food to Jinchi. She is tiny compared to Jinchi. Oh my god. Is there something really lewd about her top right now? Her undergarment? FIFA. There's more than one, right? So like this is gonna get reported, right? Isn't this like, I mean like this they were trying to assassinate him? Like I mean, wouldn't you assume it's the was it Shishoka? It was Shishoka, right? That's where they're at right now. The dog whistle for the. Is it still not enough? Is she gonna hurt herself? Dude, she just chills out. That was pretty good. Wait, this episode's almost over. No. Oh, he didn't tell her yet, huh? Oh no. Cause she has no feelings for him, right? It's like there's nothing. Oh man, this is how it's gonna end. Oh, why? Why you do this to me? Wait, this is why I'm behind. I can watch the next episode, but I'll probably do it later. Oh my god! Ah, man, this is an apothecary episode, man. This is an episode. There's just so much to unpack here, right? Because you have the tensions between this other country, right? Like, well, we don't know. That's the thing that's what's so cool about it, because it's a constant mystery, right? Well, now we have like a trifold attack of mysteries here, because you still don't know um who tried to assassinate Jinshi, right? Why Jinshi wasn't eating anything. I'm assuming he fears for his life here, right? Because of like poisoning or something. Like maybe he knows that he's gonna be targeted. And then you have the fact that he wants to tell Mao Mao the thing, right? So you have to get all of these scenarios have to line up, right, in order to make this episode work. Because it had like that awkward tension between the environment, right? And then he wants to tell her his relationship between like him and the Emperor, right? Which is something that we've until he says it, I'm not gonna believe it, right? And I guess I wonder it's gonna actually be like the part about the relationship now at this point. But yeah, it was the assassination attempt, the country. I'm not gonna watch it. No, don't show me. Don't show me this. Don't show me this. I'm not gonna. Nope. 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 I am going into the next episode. Super raw. Super raw. I closed it. I closed it. Nope. Jeek guy. Nope. Nope. I'm not gonna see it till next time. Ah, oh, damn. That was a sweet ass episode. I would. Ah, oh, it's so hard to like. Damn you, Apothecary Diaries. Why you gotta be so good? Why you gotta be so good? Anyways, that was episode 11, man. I still don't know what it was. Like what it could have been for why my friend shrieked. I just know she shrieked and just yelled out the word Apothecary Diaries. So I'm gonna have to ask her at this point. Anyways, that was episode 11. I will do episode 12 as soon as possible. There's no way I can't rush into it, right? There's just no way. And so with that, my friends, I will see you guys next time. Much love, my friends. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.